We'll guide you through how to set up ClickUp Webhooks. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your ClickUp workspace in your web browser. You'll want to navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. From there, select the Integrations option in the sidebar. Scroll down until you see the Webhooks section and click on it. Now, you'll see an option to add webhook. Click this to start setting up your webhook. Next, you need to enter the URL where ClickUp will send the data. Make sure the URL is ready to receive post requests, as that's the format ClickUp uses to send data. You can also select the specific events you want to trigger the webhook. For example, you might choose task creation or status changes. Once you've configured the events, click Save or Create to finalize your webhook setup. To test your webhook, go back to your ClickUp tasks and perform one of the actions you set as a trigger, like creating a new task or changing a task's status. Check your server to ensure it received the data. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the post request data coming through. Remember, webhooks are a powerful way to automate workflows by sending real-time data to other apps or services you use, making your project management more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.